how to cancel hotel booking on the booking.com website. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually cancel your hotel booking in the booking.com. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have a booking that you made and a hotel reservation and now you want to cancel it, to do this, all you have to do is first of all open up the booking.com application. Then once you launch the booking.com app, you will basically see this type of interface where you need to click the bookings icon from the bottom of the screen. Then here you can see active, you can see past, and then you can see cancelled. So if you have any of the active bookings over here, you'll be able to go to active and then select the specific booking and then cancel it. But in case you don't find it, then you can also cancel it manually by entering the booking number. To do that, just tap the plus icon from the top right hand side of the screen. You have to enter the booking details such as your booking number and the pin code, and then just click on manage booking. Under manage booking, you will definitely find the option to cancel a specific booking when you want to manage it. And that is it for this video on how you can actually cancel your booking on booking.com. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.